Hey there, in this DIY crafts tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made my puppy these adorable hair bows for her hair. Really quick, a little hand sewing and a hot glue gun. And if you don't have any of the clips or the rubber bands that you need, go ahead and check out the links in the description of this video. First, let me show you how I made this pink tulle one. Here's some pink tulle I had left over from a favor. If you have any left over or stash, go ahead and grab that. They make really cute bows. I folded it 3 times over and I'm just cutting it out now. So now what I'm doing is, before I do any more cutting, I like to measure out the size of the bow that I want. And again, before you cut, just figure out what size you want. Now from here, what I do is I find the center. You see how you need to kind of really find the center, or else one side of the bow will be bigger than the other. Then I'm just doing a quick basting stitch right through there. But my double threaded needle does have a double knot at the end. I just trimmed off that extra tail there. Now I pull, it cinches together, and now I'm going to take that double thread and I'm going to just wrap it around several times so it's nice and tight. And naturally the bow just forms this way. Then on the back, I'm going to go through the thread and put my needle through the loop, tie a knot, and I'm going to do it again just for extra security. Now I'm going to cut off this thread because I'm going to actually hot glue it onto the barrette or the clip, but if you want to, you can even sew it on. I like hot glue, it's quick and easy. And I'm going to add this to the center to make it even more girly girl. And how I love this one, because it's a vintage ribbon. So again, I'm going to measure the size I want before I do any cutting. Once it's folded, again, you're going to find the center. I like to use the needle to help me as I fold it over. And I'm going to do that large running stitch, or kind of like basting stitch, right through the center. Remember to double knot the ends of your thread. After I secured it in with the end off knot, I'm going to sew on the rubber band. Same exact way as if I was securing it in. So I'm going to go right under through the stitches there, and in through the rubber band, through the stitches. And I'm going to do this about 4 times, and then again secure it off with the end off stitches. And me with my little extras, I had to find something coordinating, right? But it's so pretty and perfect for the center. So here we go, hot glue it on. And for this pretty purple one, I went through the same exact steps. This DIY craft is so good for you to go through all of your scrap ribbons. I mean, I don't know about you, but I have a stash. I save them. If I get a gift and there's like really pretty and nice quality ribbon, I tend to save it because it's nice to make things out of it or use it again to wrap up another pretty gift. Hey, if you really love this puppy hair bow tutorial, why don't you subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my videos? Just click on the link in the top right corner there. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY puppy hair bow tutorial, and if you did and love making things for your puppy, why don't you check out my other puppy videos right up here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.